Hi guys, I'm back. Today I'm going to show you how to open your JC Premier portal with your username and password and kung saan nyo makakita yung ID number nyo and how we can create a shop link using your ID number. Okay, so I will share my screen so you guys can see how we create um, the shop links and how we use or open our JC Premier portal. Okay. So, in opening your JC Premier portal, ito yung unang-unang ibibigay sa inyo ng sponsor nyo or ng apply nyo. Go to jcpremier.com. Yan, enter. And when you go there, if you're a UAE account franchisee, go to UAE. If you're a Philippine account franchisee, go to Philippines. Depende kung anong country ka. But I'm gonna show you UAE account. So click on UAE account. And may makikita po kayong parang tao na kulay green sa upper right corner. And that's like the user icon. So click on that. And then just type in kung anong binigay sa inyong username and password. So let's say ito yung username mo, type mo lang yung username mo. Case sensitive po ang ating username and password. So if it's all capital, type it in all capital. If it's all small letters, type it in small letters and put your password. And ito pong CAPTCHA code, kung hindi nyo alam kung 0 or capital auto, just click here to change, yung mas madali. So you have to type the CAPTCHA and to open your portal. Once na open yung portal nyo, active yung portal nyo, you can create the shop link. So i-submit natin yan. So open na yung portal. Ngayon, kung hindi binigay sa inyo yung ID number nyo, ito lang naman yung ID number nyo. Nasa upper left ng portal nyo. So this ID number is important in creating a shop link. Okay? So ito yung ID number ko for my food shop links. I also bought a TokTok account. So yung TokTok account ko, iba po yung ID number na yun. So yan po. And when you use your portal, first time you use your portal, may magpa-pop up siya na terms and condition. Just click yes or I agree. And dito po, nandiyan ang profile. Profile, you can change your password. You can go to JC Wallet every Tuesday and Wednesday para makita yung income nyo. And transaction para makita nyo yung detailed breakdown ng income nyo. And of course, go to forms. Pag kailangan nyo ng mga forms, this is the forms and kailangan nyo ng reports and poster bank. Sa poster bank nyo makikita yung mga videos and of course, yung mga pictures na pwede nyo gamitin for your marketing. So once this is open, you know that your account is active and make sure you don't forget your ID number. Usually the first ID number is important. And then meron tayong mga tinatawag na multiple accounts. Doon po sa mahilig sa networking at gusto ng networking, they buy a lot of accounts. I have more than one account because I'm doing the networking side of the business. Pero yung number one account ko, yun ang po ang hindi ko nakakalimutan na ID number. So, how to create the shop links. So, papakita ko po sa inyo. Kung nakita nyo kanina yung ID number ko, yung ID number na yan is ID number ng asawa ko. So I also have my own ID number that will show my name. So open it, I will just open my Safari browser and then I will show you paano mag-create ng mga shop links. Okay? So meron tayong kodigo dito. I will just show you guys yung kodigo natin. Paggawa ng shop links. So ito po. You can screenshot this so you don't forget. So pag show my king, i-type nyo lang showmyking.ph/skshop/ID number. So this is your ID number. Nakita nyo naman sa portal, no? So sa upper left ng portal mo, may ID number doon. So that could either be 0056 or kaya PPS. I-type nyo po lahat yung nakikita nyo sa ID number na yun. Makikita nyo yung katunying natin, yung Boybondat and Mang Bok sa isang shop link, which is the Showmaking shop link. Yan din po yung mga percentages ng commission nyo or discount kapag franchisee kayo at gusto nyo kunin yung discount instead na commission. And of course, we have ninja.com/cpshop/ID number kapag gusto nyo pumunta sa Ninja Ion shop link at sa Coppermask shop link. May sariling shop link din po ang Coppermask, coppermask.ph/cpshop/ID number. And of course, ang TokTok. Ito po yung format ng paggawa ng shop link ng TokTok or website, toktok.ph/delivery/ID number. So pakita ko po paano natin gagawin siya. So open your browser. Open lang po natin yung browser. And sa browser, you just have to type. Make sure the spelling is right. showmyking.ph/skshop/ yung ID number. So gagamitin ko yung ID number ko. Yan po, malalaman nyo yan ang ID number mo because sa upper left may pangalan, Jacqueline Belisario shop link. Okay, hello, welcome to Jacqueline Belisario shop link. At yan po, nandyan po ang mga Showmaking products, Showmaking Express products. Nandyan ang Boybondat, Mang Box, and yung Katunying products. So nandyan. So you were able to make your shop link. Pag nag-sign in ka dito, you get the discount, not the commission, which I always do pag I'm sending products to my family in the Philippines. I just sign in to get the discount para mas marami akong mapadala. So ang next naman natin is yung Coppermask shop link natin. Okay. So let me just open a new new page sa browser ko. So ang type natin is coppermask.ph/cpshop. Kailangan tama spelling, walang space, and ID number. Enter. Pag enter mo, ayan, may pangalan ulit. Jacqueline Belisario shop link. At ayan ang Coppermask natin. Napakadami, no? Iba-ibang kulay. So order na po kayo. Dyan. Sa shop, customer care, track number, and sign in. Pag nag-sign in kayo, instead na 380 yan, magiging 304 dirhams yan. Okay. And next, so yan ang ating Coppermask shop link. So let's do the Ninja Ion with the Coppermask shop link. Ita-type nyo rin po siya. So, type natin, ninjaph.com/cpshop/0034. Enter. Ayan. So, nag-enter na siya sa ninjaph.com. Welcome to Jacqueline Belisario shop link. So, nandito po sa shop link na to ang ating Ninja Ion. Iba-ibang kulay. Meron din tayong Coppermask sa shop link na ito. Pero mainly, nagpupunta tayo dito para sa Ninja Ion and sa Coppermask para sa Coppermask. Although meron din pong item ng Coppermask sa shop link na ito, pero ang majority ng mga Coppermask natin nasa coppermask.ph/cpshop/ID number. Nandun po yung iba-ibang kulay ng mga limited edition natin. Ngayon naman, we will go to our TokTok shop link. Opo. So sa ang TokTok kasi kakalabas pa lang 3 weeks ago. So bago lang po ito. And kailangan mo mag-avail ng bagong franchise if you want a TokTok franchise kasi hindi po kasama sa mga before 3 weeks ago. Showmaking lang ang shop link nyo. Since nagtaas po tayo ng presyo, ngayon dinagdagan nila ng TokTok franchise. So, pakita ko po sa inyo ngayon ang TokTok franchise ko. So, iba naman po ang gagamitin kong ID number for that. Kasi bagong hala po yun. So, let me share to you guys. Okay, kanina po pinakita ko sa inyo na we are typing the shop link names or format in the browser. Ngayon ang ipapakita ko naman sa inyo, I will share to you a post na I created sa Facebook account ko. Ito po sa Facebook account ko, I put the picture of Alden Richards and then naglagay ako ng caption. Sabi ko, hello FB friends sa Pilipinas, need mo ba ng pickup and delivery service within Metro Manila? Please click my website at kaya namin mag-deliver ng documents and products to anywhere in the metro. We have the lowest price of delivery service. Please download TokTok Delivery app and use my referral code. So ito po ang aking ID number. So iba po ito kaysa sa kanina kasi bagong launch lang ang TokTok. I was able to avail the TokTok franchise. Click the link to book your deliveries. Ipa-TokTok mo na yan. So this is the format para sa TokTok, toktok.ph/delivery/ID number. So pag kinopy-paste mo yan, another browser or sinend mo sa email, sinend mo sa messenger, mabubuksan nila yung link. Kapag nakapost sa Facebook, pag-click ng link, bubukas ang iyong TokTok delivery shop link. Nakapangalan sa asawa ko po. Hello, welcome to Aurelio Belizario's delivery link. And you can actually make a booking there. Okay? So you can share this to your friends, to your family, na mahilig magpa-deliver or nangangailangan ng pick-up and delivery. So ganyan po, gumawa ng mga shop link or website natin. And it's important na you always post on your Facebook wall para nakikita ng mga kakalala mo ang iyong mga shop links. Para may umorder, may magpa-deliver. Yan po, sana po may natutunan kayo sa shinare ko ngayon. Ganun lang po kadali, gumawa ng mga shop links. And just to repeat, just a recap, i-screenshot nyo lang po. Ito po ang ating mga percentage discounts, commissions for every product category natin. At kung paano po gawin ang shop link. Ita-type nyo lang po. Ayan. So showmaking.ph/skshop/ yung ID number mo. And sa Copper Mask, meron tayong coppermask.ph /cpshop/ID number. And sa Ninja Ion, meron tayong ninjaph.com/cpshop/ID number. And of course, we have the toktok.ph/delivery/ID number. So that's how we do it. Just screenshot it and ita-type nyo lang siya. Napakadali. Hindi mo kailangan maging techie, ita-type mo lang siya. So I hope this video guide has helped you and I'll see you again for another guide. Maraming salamat. My name is Jacqueline Belizario. Till the next time.